Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening VS Code and getting to Settings JSON. This is where you make exact changes. Once done, choose a base theme so your overrides blend correctly. Themes can reset colors otherwise. Then decide if you want comments recolored everywhere or only in specific languages. Make sure to save a copy of your settings before editing because you will paste JSON entries directly into settings. JSON. This gives you precise control, fast. You now insert Workbench, Color Customizations and Editor, Token Color Customizations into settings. JSON, this is the core step. Once added, target scopes such as comment, line, and comment. Block with a hex color like #6A9955 so the editor applies it. If the theme supports semantic tokens, also set semantic token colors to handle language-aware comments. Save the file, and VS Code should update immediately. If not, reload the window. This method changes color You finish by testing files in several languages to confirm the comment color took effect, since scope names vary. If something looks wrong, run Developer, inspect TM scopes and click a comment to see the exact token name to target. Make sure to save settings and reload the window. Sometimes theme extensions override your changes. If colors still fail, disable conflicting extensions or switch themes briefly, then reapply your customization. One key troubleshooting tip: theme priority may override settings, so disable extensions first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.